Hello, how are you? Nationwide, worldwide, YouTube. How are you? How are you? Thank you for all that we have. Thank you to all the workers and the mga personnel of the YouTube company. Thank you very much. And you are still with us. Thank you very much. Thank you so much talaga. Nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Thank you very much for your support, for your patience, kindness, and helpful to help my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Shout out to all subscriber of mine, to all viewers that you are only watching of my YouTube, of my videos. I wish that you subscribe me, share, likes and comments. Thank you very much. And to all supporters of mine, thank you also. To the all supporters of the social media, to all the mga vlogger. Thank you, and keep safe lagi. Thank you that you are still support to your individual mga vloggers. Hindi naman individual kasi ano naman yan gaya yung iba nagkakaroon naman ng marami, di ba? Gaya sa akin, dami ko namang inanuhan, ang dami kong kinukonek na mga vlogger na nanonood din ako. Isa rin ako sa mga supporters nila. Okay, and thank you very much talaga na you are still with us together again, diba? Thank you very much. Thank you. Shout out to all nationwide and worldwide, to all subscriber of mine, to all subscriber of the another bloggers also, another channel, and to all in the social media. May pang ganun. Thank you very much talaga. Keep safe lagi, and God provide everything, whatever we need, whatever you need, to all of us. He knows everything, kaya thank you very much talaga. And bye. God bless us all.